A man named Paul Edmonds from California beats cancer and HIV with a revolutionary treatment. Paul Edmonds had been fighting two terrifying enemies, cancer and HIV. Paul was diagnosed with cancer and HIV, but now he is free from both diseases. His remarkable journey towards recovery has captured the attention of the medical world. This case has been published in a letter in the New England Journal of Medicine. The key to Paul Edmonds' recovery from myelogenous leukemia, AML, and HIV lies in a medical procedure known as stem cell transplant. Scientifically, the treatment is referred to as an allogeneic hematopoietic cell transplantation. This treatment is commonly used as a final stage in combating blood cancers such as lymphoma, myeloma, and leukemia. This procedure involves replacing the damaged blood-forming stem cells in a patient's bone marrow with healthy cells from a donor. The donor must possess similar genetic characteristics. Paul lived with HIV for over 30 years. His journey towards recovery is nothing short of extraordinary. Despite being diagnosed with AIDS and HIV in the late 1980s, he had managed the virus through antiretroviral therapy. Antiretroviral therapy effectively suppressed its presence in his system. Moreover, the stem cell transplant introduced a rebellious change by replacing his bone marrow and blood stem cells with the donors. Paul Edmonds' case stands as a light of hope for patients battling HIV. This case showcases the potential of stem cell transplants in not only treating HIV but also potentially curing cancer. The risks associated with such transplants are significant and may not be good for all HIV patients. The success of this case opens up new possibilities for future treatment methods.